Hey guys, so it's officially day number 2 drinking my Amare happy juice since I got out of the hospital. I was going to do an update yesterday, but to be totally honest, I just really didn't feel up to it because I had a lot of crying spells yesterday because I was just feeling very conflicted over something and it made me upset. But anyway, that's beside the point. So yeah, since I drank my happy juice today, I feel full of motivation, I feel full of determination, I have just the right amount of energy, and I feel wide awake. Now, I haven't really gotten a whole lot of anything accomplished yet today. I was hoping to do a how-to video, but I just honestly haven't had any ideas. And yeah, so I've mostly just been listening to music today. But I think everybody needs to have a chill day once in a while, right? Now, as you'll notice, I've been parting my hair differently. You can tell it's kind of all parted to one side now. I'm doing that because honestly, it just really bothers me when my hair is not all on one side. And I've managed to part it all to one side without having to shave the other side of my head bald. It kind of looks like it is shaved from this angle, but it's not. I didn't shave my head, it's just I've parted it all to one side. It just gets really annoying, especially because I have really long hair, as you can see. So yeah, that's my update. And yeah, what do you guys think of my new hairstyle? And you can be honest with me. If you don't like it, that's fine. Everybody has their own opinion. To each their own, right? But I would really like to know what you guys think of it.